First, add a sphere and then add a plane for a cloth. Subdivide it 60 to 100 times. Add a collision constraint to the sphere and the cloth to the plane and then simulate the simulation of the cloth. You can also add a subdivision surface modifier to the plane. Add a material to the cloth and follow me. First, you have to add a magic texture. Connect it to the mapping node and the texture coordinates node respectively. Add a color ramp node and connect the magic texture factor to the color ramp factor and connect the color of the color ramp to the base color of the principal BSDF. Remember to copy the settings of my principal BSDF. Then add a displacement node and connect the magic texture factor to the displacement height. Connect the displacement to the displacement output. You can set the color ramp colors as per your requirement or what you may like. Then bring up the roughness of the principal base depth and everything to down. Set the scale of the magic texture to above 100. I am setting it to 200. Enjoy to play with the scale value. Set the color ramp mode to constant. And then you will have a realistic procedural cloth material. Thank you for watching the video. You can get the blend file of this procedural cloth material from the download link in the pinned comments.